Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel, where we break down the most exciting and often mind-bending advancements in the world of technology and artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving headfirst into a story that's been absolutely dominating the front page of Hacker News. A story that promises to redefine how we think about AI's ability to see, understand, and interact with our world. We're talking about Qwen-Image-3.0. Imagine an AI that doesn't just recognize a cat in a picture, but can tell you its breed, its mood, the texture of its fur, and even infer if it's about to pounce, all while understanding the context of the room it's in. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, thanks to Alibaba Cloud's latest breakthrough, Qwen-Image-3.0, this level of sophisticated visual comprehension is rapidly becoming reality. The tech world is buzzing. And for good reason. This isn't just an incremental update. It's a monumental leap forward, characterized by three core pillars: rich content, authentic details, and deep knowledge. So, what exactly is Qwen-Image-3.0? At its heart, it's a large-scale multimodal model, meaning it doesn't just process one type of data, like text or images, in isolation. It's designed to seamlessly integrate and understand both. But what truly sets it apart from previous iterations and competitors is its unparalleled capacity for deep understanding and reasoning about visual information. It's not simply identifying objects. It's comprehending the entire narrative, the relationships, and the underlying implications within an image. Let's unpack these three pillars. Starting with rich content. When Qwen-Image-3.0 processes an image, it doesn't just pick out the most prominent elements. It dives into the entire scene, extracting a wealth of information that was previously beyond the grasp of AI. Think about a complex infographic or a densely packed urban landscape. Older models might identify buildings, cars, and people. Qwen-Image-3.0, however, can parse the intricate data points within the infographic, understand the flow of information, and even extract specific numbers or trends. In the urban scene, it can identify specific types of vehicles, read street signs, recognize brand logos on storefronts, and even differentiate between pedestrians based on their actions, a person walking a dog versus someone rushing for a bus. This rich content understanding extends to recognizing multiple objects, their attributes, and their often complex spatial and semantic relationships. It's about truly seeing the forest and every tree within it, along with the moss on the bark and the birds in the branches. Next, we come to authentic details. This pillar is where Qwen-Image-3.0 truly shines in its precision. It's one thing to recognize a shirt. It's another to discern its material, the weave of the fabric, the specific shade of color, and whether it's new or shows signs of wear and tear. This level of detail perception is critical for applications where accuracy is paramount. Imagine its utility in quality control for manufacturing, where minute defects can be catastrophic. An AI trained with authentic details can spot a microscopic crack in a circuit board, an almost imperceptible irregularity in a medical scan, or a subtle variation in the texture of a manufactured product that signals a flaw. It can distinguish between real diamond and cubic zirconia by analyzing light refractions and surface characteristics, or identify a rare species of plant by the subtle venation patterns on its leaves. This isn't just about recognizing. It's about perceiving the nuances that often escape even the most trained human eye, providing a level of granular accuracy that was previously unimaginable for AI systems. Finally, and perhaps most impressively, we have deep knowledge. This is where Qwen-Image-3.0 transcends mere perception and steps into the realm of true reasoning. It connects the visual information it gleans with a vast external world knowledge base. This means it can answer not just what is in an image, but why, how, and what's next. For example, if you show it a historical painting, it won't just identify the figures. It can explain the historical context, the symbolism, the artist's style, and even the cultural significance of the depicted scene. In a more practical sense, imagine a photograph of a broken engine part. Qwen-Image-3.0 could identify the component, diagnose the likely cause of failure based on the visible damage, and even suggest potential repair strategies. Drawing upon a deep understanding of mechanics, it can interpret complex scientific diagrams, explain the principles they illustrate, and infer the functional relationship between different elements. This deep knowledge allows the model to move beyond raw data processing to actual inference and explanation, making it an incredibly powerful tool for understanding our world on a much more profound level. The real-world implications and use cases for a model like Qwen-Image-3.0 are nothing short of revolutionary across countless sectors. In healthcare, it could assist doctors in diagnosing conditions by identifying subtle indicators in medical images, X-rays, MRIs, pathology slides, with a precision that augments human expertise. Its ability to discern authentic details could mean earlier detection and better patient outcomes. For e-commerce, imagine product descriptions generated with such fidelity that they accurately describe every texture, material, and feature, leading to fewer returns and more satisfied customers. Visual search would become incredibly powerful, allowing users to find specific items based on extremely nuanced visual cues. In education, Qwen-Image-3.0 could transform learning by providing detailed explanations of complex diagrams, historical photographs, or scientific illustrations, making abstract concepts tangible and accessible. For accessibility, it could generate incredibly rich and detailed descriptions of images for visually impaired individuals, providing